Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by inspecting power and connections because most failures are simple. First, charge the AirPods Max for 15 to 30 minutes and verify battery level on your device. Low power skews diagnostics. Once charged, update your iPhone or iPad and turn on Bluetooth so firmware can sync. Remove the magnetic ear cushions gently, then inspect the speaker mesh and lightning port for debris or corrosion. If you see dirt, use compressed air and a soft brush to clear it before proceeding. Now you move to the hands-on repairs and resets that fix most functional issues. Replace or reseat the ear cushions, confirming magnets click and seals are flush because misalignment causes audio leakage. If audio or controls act up, perform a soft reset by holding the digital crown and noise control button for 15 seconds. This resolves firmware hangs. If problems persist, run a factory reset to clear corrupted settings, then repair the headphones so the device negotiates fresh connections and firmware. Finish by validating every function so you're confident the repair worked. Test stereo balance, noise cancellation on and off, and mic quality with a phone call or voice memo. Listen for crackle, dropouts, or imbalance. Check firmware version in Bluetooth settings and install any updates to fix lingering bugs. If audio hardware still fails, inspect internal drivers or battery module. If you're uncomfortable, arrange professional service. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent faults remain, swap with a known good cable or device to isolate source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.